Total Window Service. We operate in New York City. We do window cleaning and tinting. It's not often that we work from the swing stage, but we still do sometimes. I used to work a lot when I did window cleaning. In my company, we mostly do rope descent and window tinting. Right now, we are at the Hunter College and we are doing window tinting. This is Black Opaque from Solar Gard. I want to thank John Nichols from Solar Gard for providing this lead. We were able to actually take this job. And whatever, I estimated this building a long time ago, so they intended to cover these windows for probably for the past 3 or 4 years. I was just starting with the film at that time. So right now we're actually doing it, all right? Yeah, so we already did this part. We did one more set behind the corner. We still need to do that set. If you can please show them. Yeah, not everything, not every window, but we have what, 5 or 6 sets that we need to do. Small pieces, 20 inch by 40 inch at most. This is how we do it. All right, so let me do one piece. I finally bought a good keg sprayer for myself. All my guys love it, and I love it too. Feels good. Okay, liner is on the wrong side. Whoops. It's always something bad when you say oops. It's always something bad. There's 2 of us. We don't use reverse roll. We simply work together. We find it easier in this situation, but for the video I'm gonna do reverse roll, it'll be easier. Film look good. I would say very easy to install. The only thing in this situation, it scratches a lot. I'll tell you what, this is very dirty place. Despite the fact that we're cleaning it a lot, it's still dirty. This window's never been cleaned. Well, maybe it's been a while, I would say. So a lot of debris, but we are on the 4th floor and nobody is gonna see it, and we're not gonna tell anybody. After installation, we're gonna put the silicone black caulking around the edges to seal them. So we make sure that window film will not peel off in 1 or 2 years, or maybe even tomorrow, I don't know. Hopefully not. This is exterior. These windows are not the unit, so it's safe to install it. Window film, black like this. It's gonna receive a lot of heat, but it still should be good. Let's soak some water from here. Yeah. more and more, and we're almost done. And this is how we do it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.